Hey guys, this is Natasha with Gifts Handmade by Natasha. I'm here to show you the Paci Pal and how to add your pacifier. This is of course the design of Mickey Mouse. They come in any design that you want to order. So if you want a Mickey, a Minnie, Pooh Bear, Eeyore I've done before, any character, also any animal, they will all be the same in the sense of style. So they will all include a pacifier clip that I'm going to show you how to use. Just to go a little bit on the details, this is a hand crocheted item. You can machine wash and of course toss it in the dryer. This one does not include a squeaker or a rattle, but you can obviously include that with no additional charge. I do not recommend Paci Pals for infants under 6 months, mainly because the fact of the toy itself. There are small pieces that should not come off, but in the very that it fear that it would, I would not give this to babies that that are that small. My son particularly uses the MAM brand, so of course it does not have the traditional handle like pacifiers typically have. This is one of his teething pacifiers that he sometimes uses. It's a Nubby brand. I'm only using this just to show you how to attach pacifiers that have little handles themselves. Now, the hospital ones, the ones that are flat style with just a little tab on them, I do have an option to have those fastened with a clasp. So if you do have that brand, please let me know during the order. I do not have that style pacifier right now to show, or is this one set up for those type of pacifiers, but I can accommodate to those. So if you use the hospital given pacifiers, I think they are the Nubby ones. I'm not really positive on the brand, but if you have one of those, let me know and I will include the clasp. So first, of course, I'm going to show you how to use the traditional style pacifier, typically because that's the majority of what everyone uses. He does come with a snap. I did, of course, use a color coordinating snap. If you want this to stand out, I have many different colors. So of course this snaps off, and then just as simple as just putting it on there and then snapping it closed. Now, how the baby uses this, of course, is you're going to put the pacifier in its mouth. This will rest on the belly and the chest of your baby. Like I stated, I would not recommend these for newborns, mainly because it's probably about the half of a size of a newborn. So what if you have a pacifier that does not have this on there? I will include in your order, this is a silicone actual ring. It is flexible. It's also BPA free, so if your baby happens to lose his pacifier or whatever have you and decides to chew on this, it's completely safe. It is a smooth ring. There's no rough edges to it at all. So you would do this is actually slip the ring on here and snap, pull it up, and then you would take this pacifier. This is how my son holds his pacifier, and you would just stretch it over the back of the pacifier, and just like that. So whichever kind of pacifier style you have, please let me know during the time of your order so I can accommodate. And of course, once the baby is done using the pacifier, whether it is you weaned him or whatever have you, you can actually remove any accessories that is on here, minus this part. Now, those who are savvy with a sewer, a seam ripper, can actually remove this, but again, I don't think it actually causes any issues. I mean, you could use it as also to snap it onto something, a stroller, or even like a little blanket. That way you don't lose it. So, yep, this is the Paci Pal. Like I stated, they come in any character that you wish, any animal, any design. Just let me know. They do run between $15 to $25 depending on the style that you have. Making himself is $25 because he does take a little bit to make. But other than that, just give me a message and we'll get started for your order. Thanks.